Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about your personal brand and professional etiquette. We're going to take a look at what is your personal brand. It's really is a holistic look at your goals and passion and values and how those figure into and enhance what you offer to an employer. So what makes you interesting, compelling, and stand out from your peers. And so your brand really is your reputation. We can look at it that way. And so next we're going to learn about what are the questions that you should be asking yourself to develop your own personal brand. So you can look at what are my strengths? What are your strengths? What you already know, what you're passionate about, and what would you like to accomplish in your lifetime? What are you good at? And so on. And you should develop a mission statement. And what are your employers trying to find about you? So more than 2 in 5 employers, so about 41% say that they are less likely to interview job candidates if they are unable to find information about that person online. It was a 6% increase since last year. So you want to make sure that you have a LinkedIn profile, some social networks that people can Google and find out additional information about you. And so you want to make sure that you have good information online and don't post anything that you don't want your employers to see. And here are some of the reasons that candidates were not asked to be interviewed. People who take provocative or inappropriate photographs, videos, information, that's 46%, and that's almost 50% of people who do this. And so if you have inappropriate photos or videos online, really you should think about how that reflects on you and who you are. Sometimes, you are the one representing the company, so that they just want to ensure that you provide this professionalism online. Information about candidates drinking or using drugs, that's 43%. You don't want to post yourself, doing anything illegal. So just make sure that that's clean. And so on and so on. Here's just a fun little drawing of what not to do. So here's examples of things not to put on the internet. And that's all we're going to talk about for today.